Hello, my name is Debora Taddei, and today we're going to do some exercises to stretch and strengthen our neck. Let's start. First, we're going to put our right hand on the side of our head, okay? And from there, we're going to be pushing our head against our hand and our hand against our head without any movement. And we do it 5 times. So we press and release, and press and release. Keep the shoulder low, we don't lift it towards our ear. Okay, just that connection, getting those side muscles of the neck working. And one more. And there. Now we take the other hand to bring our head to the other side to stretch those neck muscles that we've just activated. And breathe, just allowing it to stretch without pulling it. You don't really have to pull hard. We just feel the shoulder stays in place. The weight of the head, the weight of the hand is just sufficient to get that stretch in those neck muscles without forcing them. And then come back to center. Left hand on the head, and we go to this side. So we push and release. And push and release. Push and release. Push and release. 2 more, no movement. And last one, head and hand working together to get that connection. And then change hand and bring it to the side. And feel. And breathe. Just hold it, feel that opposition. And last one. And there. Come to center. We interlace.
Continue watching the complete video in DARTE Video-Pilates, a Pilates service on demand to perform exercises from anywhere in the world. All you have to do is access dartepilates.com and enter the Video Pilates section. You will be able to access recordings in Spanish and English of exercises, routines and workshops. Some of them are even free. Search for a specific topic and you will find all the related content. Find the service that best suits your needs. Either DARTE Media, with which we will design ultra-personalized workouts to suit your particular case, or DARTE Routines, where you will find a wide repertoire of specialized routines to do on your own. Perhaps you prefer to access the DARTE Exercises, a growing collection of Pilates and physiotherapy exercises ideal for professionals looking for ideas to recommend to their clients. Or take one of the DARTE Tips workshops to learn how to use the towel for a healthy neck, the roller foam for myofascial massage, or the softball for lumbar disc herniation. Stick around and I'll show you how it works. Let's go to DARTE Routines. You will see several routines with their description and duration. When you choose one of them, the video playback will start immediately from a computer, tablet or mobile phone. And thanks to its controls, you can regulate the playback speed if you want to watch it faster or not to miss any detail of a movement by selecting a slower speed. Of course, you can control the usual aspects of a video such as volume, position of the video, or maximize it to full screen. Just below each video you will find suggestions of videos related to the one you are watching. Or you can go to another Video Pilates service. Don't worry, whatever you do, you'll never lose sight of the current video playing. Let's look at another example, as most of the content is in both English and Spanish. Switching from one language to the other is a breeze. Now I will show you the exercises section that can be accessed with both the DARTE Medida and DARTE Exercises services. On the right-hand side you will have a list of all the exercises, and as soon as you click on one, the explanation on the left-hand side will start playing. All the exercises are designed to be done at home using household items such as a bed, chair, pillow or ball. We also have a section of free videos for those who want to experience what it feels like to use DARTE Video-Pilates. Currently this section has some complete floor Pilates classes. Go to dartepilates.com and choose the service you like best. Some services are a one-time fee and others are monthly subscriptions, which you can cancel at any time. We are waiting for you.